Good day all and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to explore the Employee Nomination Scheme, ENS in short. This is also known as the Subclass 186 visa. In this video, we'll focus on the direct entry stream, which is a direct permanent residency pathway in Australia. If you're thinking about making Australia your new home, keep watching. First, let's look at the benefits of the Subclass 186 visa. As a holder of this visa, you can live and work in Australia indefinitely, study in Australia, travel to and from Australia for 5 years, enroll and have access to Medicare, Australia's public healthcare system, free education and other social benefits as a permanent resident of Australia. You can sponsor your relatives to come to Australia. You're able to apply for Australian citizenship, if eligible, after meeting the relevant requirements. Now let's discuss the general eligibility criteria for the Subclass 186 visa. You might be eligible to apply for this visa if you have an Australian employer willing to sponsor you and meet the following requirements. First and foremost, you'll need a sponsor. You must be nominated by an Australian business before lodging your visa application. Second, you'll need experience. Applicants must have at least 3 years of work experience in the nominated occupation. Part-time work may be considered, but casual work will not. Third, the age limit for this visa is 45 years, unless exempt. Now let's talk about the employer nomination process. Employer nomination is crucial. You must be nominated by an Australian employer before applying for this visa, and you must apply within 6 months of the nomination being approved if the applications aren't lodged together. The visa cannot be granted if the nomination is withdrawn or if the person is no longer available. The 186 visa is a permanent visa, but it has a travel component that expires 5 years after the grant date of the visa. After this period, you can apply for Australian citizenship or a returned resident visa. Now, you may be able to apply for permanent residency through the direct entry stream if you meet these specific requirements. These include at least 3 years of relevant work experience, having competent English, that is, an IELTS score of 6 each in all 4 test components, or unless exempt, if you are from Canada, Ireland, the UK, USA, or New Zealand. You must be under the age of 45 years when you apply. There are certain exceptions for academics, scientists, researchers, or technical specialists, or if you hold a New Zealand subclass 444 or the 461 visa and have been working for your nominated employer for 2 years. You must meet the health and character requirements, including providing the relevant police checks and medical examinations. Finally, let's go over the nomination requirements. You must be nominated by an Australian employer and apply for the 186 visa within 6 months of the nomination being approved. This visa will not be granted if the nomination is withdrawn and any new nominations cannot be linked to an existing visa application. And that's a comprehensive overview of the Subclass 186 Employer Nomination Scheme Direct Entry Visa for Australia. If you have any questions or need further clarification, leave us a comment below or visit the official Australian immigration website. If you require assistance or guidance with your Australian visa, migration pathway, or any other immigration matter, connect with us using the contact details on screen. If you found this information valuable, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates on immigration policies and other useful content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.